This is Todd Waldron. This episode is about looking at tracks in the snow. This is actually a dog track here, but it applies to deer tracks as well. Get a lot of questions about how to age tracks, and that's probably one of the hardest things to do in snow for Adirondack deer hunting or big woods hunting in general. But you know, here we have a track that's about 10 minutes old, and there's different components of the track that you want to look at. Break it down. You've got the bottom of the track here where my finger is, right, which is on the ground, and you're going to be looking at the definition there and whether it's frozen or not. And in this case, it's clearly defined, and there's a lot of definition, and the snow is not frozen. The second part of the track that you want to look at is on the top. So it's like right in here, okay? So you want to look at the top of the track too. So not just the bottom of the track, but look at the top of the snow. Is it still defined or not? Is it frozen? So those are the things you're going to want to look at. And it's going to be influenced by the weather, right? So it's 32 degrees right now, so it's at freezing. So this track could stay pretty well defined for a while. It's not going to freeze or thaw in a short period of time, but it is snowing at a rate of about 1 to 2 inches per hour. So this is going to fill in pretty quickly, and that's going to help you determine how old that track is. The other part of that is you know, thinking about it in terms of just how the weather will eventually make this track less defined and how quickly it takes to freeze up. So, you know, a track in about 10 degrees above zero is going to, you know, that's going to be pretty frozen in less than an hour. So you just have to kind of look at multiple variables when considering a track. Look at a bunch of tracks. It doesn't hurt to look at dog tracks or whatever kind of tracks you have in your yard, and just pay attention, and it'll help you in your deer tracking pursuits.